So here we are back at the FM1000 Plus app and the XCN 2050 display, and I'm going to show you a little bit of how to navigate to some of the settings within the display itself. So you'll just go to the settings icon there with the wrench and the screwdriver, and from there you do have several options. So the system settings here, that's mainly just for the display itself, and we can go back over here to setup, and it's going to ask us for the actual password, which in our case will be 2009. So it'll be identical to the FM1000 display. And then as you can see here, this is very similar to the FM1000 display. So a data dictionary, that is just kind of an area where you can create certain terms within the display. A lot of these are already in here, such as client, farm, field, all of the terms that come with the display software package. And if we go over to data files, this is the same thing as if we were to go to the home screen and navigate towards the data files over there to transfer or to delete. If we do a soft reset or reset on the display, we can change everything to the default settings by restoring using this button right here. Easy remote, so if we have an external remote that we're wanting to maybe set up to enable certain functions within the display so we don't have to touch the screen, that's what this is for. Feature mapping. So when you go into feature mapping, this allows you to kind of customize your run screen. So we could record a feature area such as a boundary, rock, fence, exclusion. All of these can be created within the run screen, and then it just asks you, where do you want to record that? On the as applied line, or do you want to record it boom center, boom left, boom right? It's just one of those ways of mapping a certain feature within the run screen. The guidance settings, if we go into guidance, a lot of this is related to the run screen as well, certain things that we might see on the run screen on the map. Language and units, that's pretty straightforward. Light bar, if we want to set up a virtual light bar within the display. Port setup. Signal input module, that'll be very similar to if you would want to set up an easy remote, some kind of external auxiliary remote. Sounds, this is where we can adjust the sounds within the display, the beeping sound, the alarms, things of that nature. And then lastly, status items, that's something related to the run screen as well. And we can put in two different run screen items here, depending on what we have as far as a plug-in on the right-hand side here. We can also put in information on the info screen to be retrieved a little bit later on. So those are some of the settings that you can set up within the display using the FM1000 Plus app in the XCN 2050 display.